Members is a membership plugin for WordPress based on roles and capabilities. It gives your users the best member experience by giving you powerful tools to add roles and capabilities to assign them to your users. This is great because you have unlimited options to manage your users and assign them different roles with their consequent responsibilities and privileges. The problem is that if you have thousands of different users on WordPress, it can be really difficult to edit them all, as you will have to edit the profiles one by one, which, apart from being a tedious task, will be very time-consuming. Fortunately, in this video, we'll show you how to edit thousands of users by assigning them multiple roles in a spreadsheet created by the WordPress Users Spreadsheet plugin. Additionally, we'll use the free Multiple Roles extension for WordPress, which will create a column for multiple roles in the spreadsheet. You'll find a link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to visit our written guide. If you want to edit your users individually, just go to the SE Multiple Roles column and assign the roles you want by typing them, dragging them, or copying from other cells. Just as you would do in Excel or Google Sheets. Once you have edited all your users, just save the changes. You can also edit your user multiple roles in a CSV using Excel or Google Sheets. To get this file, you can quickly export the user profiles info from the spreadsheet. For this, open the Export tool. Here, you have to select the columns you want to export. In this case, we'll export the ID, email, role, and SE Multiple Roles columns. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. Once you have exported the user's info to a CSV file, you can edit the values in the Say Multiple Roles column. If you need to enter several roles, just separate them by commas. When you're done, save the file if you are working with Excel, but in this case we'll have to download the file, since we are working with Google Sheets. Once the CSV file is ready, let's import it using the Import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to create new items and update existing items. Then you will be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered into the correct product. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. And click Next to go on. Now we can see a preview of how the information will look once it's imported. If everything is okay, click here to start the import process. As you can see, all the values in the Say Multiple Roles have been updated. Assigning multiple roles to thousands of users is really easy using the WordPress Users Spreadsheet plugin, as you can filter and edit them in the spreadsheet, or you can import an already edited CSV file in just a few minutes. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.